Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to add Facebook profile link to Reddit profile. Firstly, you need to get up onto your Facebook, and then when you get up into your Facebook and get that link, for example, I will go with this person. I will go on the three dots, then I will just copy his link, and then I will go on my profile section, and as you can see here you have add social link. Click on that selection, go for Facebook, add here the website on it, then here add your profile link. Or as you can see, I will not add my profile link, I will add a profile link from my friend. I will just go for me and it will shows up this setup. Just go for save. And now guys, as you can see, we have added this profile link to profile section on Reddit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.